Can pastors do something about all these ads we see during prayers? No, I'm not a weak Christian, but when I'm praying and I start seeing ads, I just log out and watch this comedy. The comedy is 3 hours long with no adverts. Like all of the chapters of the comedy, 3 hours long with no ads. So I just stay and watch it. I'm not a weak Christian. It's just that I could pray on my own. You know, if I wanted to, I can always pray on my own. And I keep getting distracted. And the funny thing is, the adverts in this country where I'm at, most of the adverts sound pretty imbecilic. They're not, I don't know, they're very low IQ. They stress me out. And then because I'm watching a religious this thing, light is good though. Because I'm watching a religious material, I start getting religious content, spiritual content, because the country where I'm in, they're not religious, but they like spiritual things. So I start getting spiritual things, astrology, going to see, going to raise the dead, connecting to your dead loved ones. What is necromancy? Before I say rubbish, is it necrophilia? No, that's different. Necromancy, communicating with the dead and all that. I start seeing all of those ads. And now that I've googled it, they'll send me more, thinking I'm actually interested. Good night, guys.